Genesis 2-Minute Drill is underway. Alongside Dr. Krei, we are talking about Patellofemoral Pain Syndrome. And Dr. Krei, what is the most common thing you see with knee problems?
Yeah, so knee pain usually comes down to your age. And so younger people typically get Osgood-Schlatter, which is growth plate related. Kind of that middle adult gets what we call Patellofemoral Syndrome, which we're talking about today. And then in the older population, you'll typically see osteoarthritis or even like meniscal pathology.
Who is most affected by this syndrome?
Yeah, so typically we see it a little bit higher incidence in women than males, but you can see it in both. And it's the younger population. It's the people who got out of high school and are trying to remain active, and it's that 18 to 30-year-old age range, but it can be older as well.
What's the most common cause that gets this thing going?
Yeah, so we're not 100% sure what causes patellofemoral pain syndrome. We do know how to treat it, however, so we attack it from that angle.
And what are the methods for treating this problem?
To be honest, the best is physical therapy, strengthening the quad muscles, taking pressure off of the knee, as well as strengthening your hip abductors. Now, obviously, rest is a good option for a lot of people, but I try to keep people active, and so we try to keep people moving, and so getting them into physical therapy to strengthen their quad muscles as well as their hip abductors. You can take some scheduled anti-inflammatories. If you've done a lot of yard work, kind of bending down will cause discomfort as well. So some scheduled anti-inflammatories will often help as well as icing. But long term, it's physical therapy.
And how long do you see it taking to totally eliminate the pain?
So I usually give physical therapy about 6 weeks to take care of the pain. That being said, it's an ongoing issue. So you got to keep the quad muscles strong and the hip abductors strong, or you end up back in the same place that you were before.
Dr. Krei, thank you very much. This Genesis 2-Minute Drill will be posted on ourquadcities.com. Check out the medical tab.